All right, let's look at interactions and how to use them. You can navigate to the interactions tab and then create a new interaction. Let's say this is a meeting and we met with Mary on the first again, and then that meeting lasted for 3 hours. It doesn't have to be Mary. Let's just select a business account. Let's select a dummy business account. Let's say it's not exactly with this business account, but it's with people from that business account. Feel free to select a person in here. I'm gonna select the business account because I wanna add 3 different attendees to this. So this was an in-person meeting. Let's say that we are meeting with 3 people. I'm gonna click add interaction attendees, and then I'm gonna select contact, and then I'll just start adding people. So we met with 3 people. It's either at this place or they are actually from this organization. And let's now add interaction summaries. And this is what we discussed during that call. So let's assume that this was a this was a 3-hour meeting. At first we were Matt gave us some brief, and then Jason talked to us about next steps, and then Caitlin was introducing us to a new business idea, anything. So you can add one interaction summary for the entire meeting, or you can add 3 different ones. So I'm gonna add 3 different ones. Let's say first hour. First hour was with Matt. So I'm gonna select Matt here. And then the summary, I'm using ChatGPT. I was asking it earlier to just write a few things for me. So I'll just get that and then paste it in here. And I'm going to create a second. So this is second half and second half. And I'll say second half with Jason. Then we can repeat the same thing for the third, but that's enough. So we added, we created an interaction. We said who is attending that, who was being part of this interaction, and then the summaries of these interactions. Another place you can look at interactions if you actually navigate to these people. So if I go to Matt Torres, I should be looking at an interaction on his account called meeting. So going to Matt, and then if you remember, we added this tab interactions. Now if I click on Matt here under account interactions, I will see that meeting, which tells me how many attendees were there. If I scroll down, I will see the interaction summaries that were related to Matt in particular, like the first hour that we created earlier. At the account page, I can't really create a new interaction in here. I can create a new interaction summary, but then I'm gonna have to either select an existing interaction or create a new interaction in here, because an interaction summary would make sense to be associated with an interaction, just an interaction summary. So these are the 2 places where you can see and interact with interactions, no pun intended, at the account page and on the interactions tab.